Hey everyone, I'm Anita from Pure Gear, and this is KikStik. KikStik is a fun new way to securely grip your phone while propping it up. With one finger slide technology, it's super easy to open and close. It also gives you the option of propping your phone up vertically or horizontally. Comparable accessories can't do that. Come on, let's take a closer look. KikStik installation is about as easy as it gets. All you need is a phone and a KikStik. If you use a phone with a case, make sure your case is on your phone first. We'll start by peeling the adhesive off the back of the KikStik and lining it up on our phone. But be careful, because once it's on there, it's on there. Now we can hold it as a grip when using our phone, and for taking pictures, and additional support for your hand when texting. Its slim design lets it easily fit into your pockets, and it's compatible with wireless charging. What? Oh. Yeah, only if your phone case isn't thicker then. And that's KikStik. We love it, and we're sure you will too.